The Mazda RX-2 carried a special place in automotive history as one of the early rotary-powered icons that helped shape the brand's reputation. Emerging in the early 1970s, it represented a bold departure from convention, blending compact sedan practicality with the thrill of a revolutionary engine layout. At a glance, the RX-2 didn't shout for attention like muscle cars of its era, but its subtle styling concealed a powertrain that delivered a very different kind of driving experience. Its clean lines, balanced proportions, and slightly aggressive stance gave it an understated charm, while a few sporty cues like the twin round headlights and trim details hinted that it wasn't just another family car. The Rotary badge quietly told enthusiasts that this machine offered something unique beneath its hood. The heart of the RX-2 was the Wankel rotary engine, a design that Mazda had embraced while other automakers considered it too experimental. Instead of pistons moving up and down, the Rotary relied on a triangular rotor spinning within an oval housing, creating smooth power delivery at high revs. The RX-2's 12A rotary engine was lightweight and compact, allowing the car to remain nimble and balanced, and it could rev to levels that surprised many drivers used to conventional engines. Though displacement numbers seemed small compared to other performance cars of its time, the Rotary's lively nature made it feel more powerful than its figures suggested, giving the RX-2 an edge in character and responsiveness. On the road, the RX-2 distinguished itself with agility and lightness. Its steering delivered direct feedback, and the rear-wheel drive layout ensured that spirited drivers could enjoy a proper sense of control. It wasn't about brute strength like V8 competitors. Instead, it was about smooth acceleration, eager revs, and the sense of mechanical sophistication that the rotary engine brought. This made the car appealing not only in everyday driving but also in motorsport, where it proved its worth in touring car racing across multiple markets. Inside, the RX-2 struck a balance between sporty intentions and everyday usability. The cabin carried a simple, functional design with clear instrumentation, supportive seating, and a driver-focused layout. It didn't overwhelm with luxury, but it offered the essentials that a driver needed to enjoy the experience. The tachometer often took center stage, a reminder that this car lived for revs. Practicality wasn't sacrificed either. With seating for four and decent space, the RX-2 could serve as both a family car and a weekend thrill machine. What made the RX-2 truly special was the way it helped Mazda establish a global reputation. It was one of the first rotary-powered models exported widely, introducing new audiences to the unconventional engine and building credibility for the company as a performance-oriented brand. Its presence in motorsport further boosted this reputation, as it consistently punched above its weight against larger-engined rivals. Today, the RX-2 is remembered as a pioneer, a car that captured the optimism of its era and proved that innovation could coexist with affordability and driving fun. Collectors admire its rarity, Rotary enthusiasts cherish its significance, and historians view it as a cornerstone of Mazda's journey. The RX-2 wasn't just a car, it was a statement that thinking differently could create lasting icons, and its influence can still be felt in the spirit of Mazda's Rotary legacy.